Hello student, chapter 13 exponent and power. In that today we solve exercise 13.1. Here I already copied the questions. Okay, so let we start question number 1. Find the value of, means you just find out value number. Okay, simple number of given exponent. 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6, here 2 is base and 6 is power. That means multiply 2 with 2 means itself. How many times? 6 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times. And answer is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 and 64. Answer is 64. Okay, so that means you just repeat that base how many time? Number of power time. Here 9 raised to 3. That means 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 9s are 81 into 9. 729. Okay. 11 square. That is 11 into 11 equal to 121. 5 raised to 4. That means 5 into 5 4 times. And that is 625. Okay. Same here. Look. Exponential form means you just these are the base and how many times they multiply, repeating multiple is there. Okay, here 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 4 times. So 6 is base and how many times 6 multiply with itself? 4 times. So answer is 6 is to 4. Same here, t into t, that is t square. B into b into b into b, so b is 4 times, means b is to 4. Here 5 into 5, 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so 5 and 7, two numbers are there. So 5 is 2 times, multiply 7 is 3 times, means 5 square into 7 is to 3. 2 times 2 and 2 times a, means 2 square and a square. Now here a is 3 times, c is 4 times, d is. So you just write down a square into c is to 4, c is 4 times and d is 1 time. Okay. Otherwise all are variables, so no need to write the multiple sign. You just write down a square c is to 4 d, that is your answer. Okay, both are the right answers. Okay, now next one, question number 3. Express each of the following numbers using exponential form notation. Means you just write down into exponential form. Okay, how to write down that one? Here 512 means 512 is there. So what to do? First factorize 512. Okay, and you know that how to factorize the number. Here 2 is there, so multiply, divide with 2. So 2 256, again 2 128, again 264, then 232, then 216, then 28, 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 1s are. Okay, so these are the factors. So write down the factors here. That is 2 into 2 into 2 2 2 2. So how many times 2 is there? That is 9 times, means 2 raised to 9. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is base and how many times it's repeat? 9 times. So answer is 2 raised to 9. Okay. Same here, 343. So is it divisible by 2? No. Then 3, total is 10. So that is also not possible. With 5 is also not possible because last digit is 3. That is divisible by 7. So 7 49s are. Then 7 7s are and 7 1s are. Okay. So factors are 7 into 7 into 7 means 7 raised to 3. 7 is 3 times, means 7 raised to 3. Okay. That's your answer. Now here 729. So again let we find out factors of that one. That is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 12, 3 4s are and 3 3s are. Okay. Again 3 a 3s are and 1. Then 3 27s are. Then 3 9s are. Then 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 3 is 6 times, means 3 is to 6. That's your answer. Okay. Now next one, number 4. 3125, 3125. So that is not divisible by 2 and 3 also. Let me add with 5. That is 6, 2, 5. Again 5, that is 125. Again 5, that is 25. Then 5 5s are. Then 5 1s are. So factors are, write down the factors here. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 5 base. And how many times it repeat? 5 times. So answer is 5 raised to 5. Okay. Now question number 4. The question is identify the greater number where you are possible. Each of the following. Means you here out of that two number, which one is greater? You just find out that one. Okay. If possible with multiplication. Otherwise you just guess that one. Look, 4 is to 3 equal to 4 is to 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64. And 3 is to 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. That is 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27, 3 is a 81. Here 81 is greater, means 3 is to 4 is greater. So you just write down 3 is to 4 is greater than 4 is to 3. That's your answer. Okay. Same here. Look, 5 is to 3 and 3 is to 5. Let me find out. 5 is to 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125. And 3 is to 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times. So 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27, 3 is a 81, 3 is a 243. And 243 is greater. So 3 is to 5 is greater. 3 is to 5 is greater than 5 is to 3. Okay. Now here 2 raised to 8 and 8 raised to 2. Let me find out both one. So 2 into 2 into 2, 2, 2, 2. How many times? 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And here 8 square is there. Means 8 into 8. So let me find out this one first. 8 into 8 is 64. Now here 2 into 2, 4. To the 8, to the 16, to the 32, to the 64. Here 64 is there. And here another 2 times 2 is there. That means answer of that one is greater than this one. Observe. So here directly you just write down answer. 2 raised to 8 is greater than 8 raised to 2. Okay. So here just directly write down the answer. Okay. Same here. 10 raised to 100 raised to 2. 100 raised to 2. That is 100 into 100 equal to 10,000. Right? But 2 raised to 100, that is not possible. 2 raised to 100 is not possible. That means multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 200 times. Okay. So let we multiply 2 into 2 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 into 2 raised to 90. Okay. Here 10 times 2 is there and another 90 times we write down into exponential form. And multiplication of that 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 60, 32, 64, 128, then 256, right, and 512 and 1024 into 2 raised to 90. Now 10 time multiple is 1000, only 10 time, and here another 90 time is there, right? Means minimum we are having 10 time 1000, more than 1000, that is observably more than 10,000 directly. So you just guess that one. So 2 raised to 100 is greater than 100 raised to 2. That's your answer. Same here, 2 raised to 10. Okay. And 10 raised to 2. Here 10 into 10 equal to 100. And 2 raised to 10. So 2 into 2, 4. 2 is 8. 2 is 16. 2 is 12, 2 is 64, 2 is right, and 2 into 2. So here only 8 time is, that is more than 64, right? Right, 1, 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16, 32, 64, 128. So 8 time is 128 and another 2 time is means that is greater. So 2 raised to 10 is greater than 10 raised to 2, right? So when the power is less than 5, okay, power of anyone is less than 5, that time you just find out answer of both one. And if a power of anyone is more than 5, that time you just guess which one is greatest. Okay, now question number 5. Yeah, express each of the following product of power of their prime factors. Means you just find out, write down them into exponential form with power factors. Okay, so matter is like question number 3, same as question number 3, 648. So what to do, we just find out all factors of, means prime factors of 648. Okay, then write down into exponential form. Let me find 2, 3, 2, 4, again 2, that is 1, 6, 2, again 2, that is 8, 1. Okay, now with 2 is not possible, then with 3 that is 27, then 3, 9, 3, 3 and 3 1s are. So factors are 2 into 2 into 2, then 3, 3, 3 and 3. Underline the same factors. Okay, means same numbers. So here 2 into 2 means 2 is repeat 3 times, means 2 is to 3, into 3 is 4 times, 3 is to 4. That's your answer. That is the exponential form. Okay, means power form, product of power. Same 405. So let me factorize that. 405. So that is 3 with 2 is not possible. So 3 3 1s are 3. Okay, 10, 3 3s are 9. Again 15, 5 3s are. Again 3s are 4 3s are 12, 5 5 3s are. Again 3 15s are. Then 3 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay, so factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 equal to here 3, that is 4 times, means 3 is to 4 into 5 is to 1. Okay, and 1 is not necessary to write down power 1. If you write down 5 means 5 is to 1. So 3 is to 4 into 5, that's your answer. Okay, next one 540. Just factorize 540. Okay, and factors of 540, that is diesel by 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 7s are 0. Again 2 1s are 3s are 5s are. Now 135, that is diesel by 3. 3 4s are and 5s are. Again 3 15s are. Then 3 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay, so sorry, so the factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now underline the same numbers. So here 2 is 2 times, means 2 square. 3 is 3 times, 3 cube, and 5 is 1 time, means 5. That's your answer. Okay, same in last one 3600. So factorize 3600. So factors, that is diesel by 2, that is 1800. Again with 2 900. Again with 2 450. 2 2s are 2s are 5s are. Okay, now that is diesel by 3. 3 7 3s are and 5s are. Again 3 25s are. Then 5s are 5 and 5 1s are. You know how to factorize them, means how to find the prime factors of given number. Okay, write down the prime factors here. 2 into 2 2 2, then 3, 3, 5 and 5, and underline the same numbers. So here 2 is 4 times, means 2 is to 4, 3 is 2 times 3 square, 5 is 2 times 5 square. Okay, that's your answer, right? So easy. Then question number 6, simplify. Simplify means you just find out the simple number of that one, means find out value. So 2 into 10 raised to 3, that means 2 into 10 raised to 3 means 10 is 3 times. Okay, equal to, now multiply with simplest form. So 2 into 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. So answer is 2000. Okay, same here. Look, 7 square means, sorry, 7 into 7 and 2 into 2 equal to 7 7s are 49 into 4. Then multiply 49 with 4, 196. Okay, now here 2 is to 3 into 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 into 5, that is 40. So easy. Okay, now here 3 into 4, 4, 4 and 4. So look, 4 4s are 16, 16 4 64, 4s are 256 into 3. So if it's not possible, you just multiply like that. Okay, that is 768. That's your answer. Okay, fifth one, 0 into 10 square means 10 into 10, and final answer is 0, because in a multiplication, repeating the multiply, if any number's value is 0, means 0 is there, the final answer is always 0. Okay, because multiplication of any number with 0, we get 0. 5 square 3 cube means 5 square means 5 into 5, then 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so look, 5 5s are 25, 3s are 75 into 3 3s are 9. Okay, and 75 into 9, that is 675. That's your answer. Okay, now 2 raised to 4, 3. So 2 raised to 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so look, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, and 48 3s are, that is 144. Okay, and here 3 square and 10 raised to 4. So 3 square means 3 into 3 into 10 raised to 4 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Right? 3 3s are 9, and 10 into 10 4 times means 10,000. So 9 into 10,000, 90,000. That's your answer. Okay. Now question number 7, simplify. Same is there, but here what is the difference? Here base is negative. Okay, and when base is negative, what to do? Same method is there, only one difference is there, the minus sign. Okay, most important minus sign. Then how to solve that one? It's so easy. Okay, what to do? Here look, minus 4 is to 3 is there, so you just write down into repeating form. Minus 4 is to 3 means minus 4 is 3 times. Then what to do? Put sign first, means simplify this sign first. How to put negative or positive sign? So you just count in a multiplication, repeating multiple, how many times minus sign is there. Okay, if it's odd time, odd means 1 3 5 7, okay, that time you get minus answer, and if even time, that time we get plus answer, because even means they are in a pair of 2. Okay, and 2 times minus means minus minus convert into plus. Okay, so we get plus answer. So let me count here, 1 2 and 3, 3 times is there, 3 means odd number, so we get minus answer. Now what to do? Just multiply the numbers only. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. So answer is minus 64. It's so easy. Okay, same here. Look, minus 3 into minus 2 raised to 3 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 3 times. Okay, so total, look, 1 2 3 4 4 time minus sign is there. 4 time means even time, so we get plus answer. Now 3 to the 6 to the 12 to the 24. Okay, that's your answer. Now here, look, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 5. Now count total how many times minus sign is there? 1 2 3 4. 4 times means plus. We get plus answer. 3 is a 9. 9 5 is a 45. 45 5 is a 225. That's your answer. So easy. Okay. Same in this one. Minus 2 raised to 3 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Then minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. Okay. Now directly you just multiply them, otherwise simplify them. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times minus means plus answer, because even number. 2 to the 4 to the 8 and 10 10 10, 3 zeros are there. So we get 8000 plus 8000 answer. Okay, and last one, last number. Here compare the following numbers. Two numbers are there. Look, 2 into 7 and 10 raised to 12 and 1.5 10 raised to 8. Compare them. So in this type of sums, you just check the power of 10 here. 10 raised to 8 and 10 raised to 12. If we are having same power, that time it's easy to solve that one. Okay, so what to do? Let we convert 10 raised to 12 into 10 raised to 8 form. Okay, so what to do? Just leave it one, this one 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 into as usual. Okay, and simplify this one. 2 raised to 2.7, right? That means 27 divided by 10, fraction form, into 10 raised to 12. Divide that one into two part, means 10 and 10. The base is same, it's 10, and divide 12 into two parts. One part is 8, because here 8 is there, and 8 plus 4 means here 4. Okay, now simplify this one. Look, 27 upon 10 into 10 raised to 4 means 4 zeros into 10 raised to 8. So 1 0 cut. Multiply them. So that is 27000 into 10 raised to 8. Now compare this one and this one. Look, 10 raised to 8 and 10 raised to 8, it's same. So ignore that one and then compare the numbers. 2700 and 1.5. Which one is greater? Observe, 27,000 is great. Means 2.7 10 raised to 12 is greater. So 2.7 into 10 raised to 12 is greater number. Right? Same here. Look, 4 into 10 raised to 14 and 3 into 10 raised to 17. Okay? That means here 4 into 10 raised to 14 is there, and here 3 into 10 into 10, same base is there, and one time is 14 and 14, and here 3 is there. Right? Means we divide 17 into two parts, 3 and 14. 14 and 3 is 17. That is 4 into 10 raised to 14. And here simplify that one. 3 into 10 raised to 3 means 1000. So 3 into 1000, 3000 into 10 raised to 14. Now compare 10 raised to 14, 10 raised to 14. Same numbers are there. Okay, means exponents are there. That time you just compare the multiple of that exponent, 4 and 3000. So that one is greater. So 3 into 10 raised to 17 is greater number. Okay, and most probably what happen? The greater power are always most probably greatest. Okay, so here our 13.1 exercise is complete. You just complete that exercise in your notebook. Okay, thank you.